TikTok, you have 30 seconds to give an effective presentation. So today we are going to discuss how to give an effective presentation and how to rule on the stage. Many of the people feel nervous. Provide you some tips so that you can give an effective presentation. So do you know 90% of people fails to give an effective presentation. Only 10% of them are able to crack that. And do you want to be in that 10%? If you want to be, then this video is for you. So good morning everyone. My name is uncluttered and you are watching Science Corner. So coming back on the topic, today I will be sharing some tips. So the first step is power of first impression. As we know that first impression is the last impression. So the first 30 seconds is very important to give a effective presentation. You have to be confident and you have to share some valid points and you have to start with a question. As like for example, if I start like this, good morning everyone, today I am going to give a presentation. Is it sounding some boring? Yeah, exactly. So we have to start with a question. Do you know like this, as like I have started my video like that. The second point is 3-act formula. 3-act formula is very important. As 3-act formula, what does it means? Suppose your presentation is a house. Suppose your presentation is a house. Your presentation is a house. Don't judge me because of my drawing. So suppose your presentation is a house and this is your foundation. Exactly, this is foundation of the house, foundation, and this is wall. Okay, and the upper part is floor, roof. Okay, roof. So in a presentation, introduction is the foundation. Introduction part. So introduction is the foundation and the wall is the key points. Key points. Key points. And the roof is the conclusion. So these three things you have to keep in mind. You have to add some valid point in introduction part. You have to start with the question and you have to add some valid relatable points in the key points, and the conclusion part should be very strong. Okay, and the third tip is storytelling. You know what, storytelling plays a very important role in connecting with the audience get connected easily when we start telling stories. As like for example, I'm going to share about a Rahul is a person who is very terrified of public speaking. When he come on the stage, his hands and like start shaking. He feel very nervous. He is not able to speak a single word on the stage. But he cracked that. He cracked a new trick. He started to telling stories. He started to telling his own experiences on the stage. So that now Rahul is working on a TEDx where he is able to present himself like this. You have to tell some story so that audience can get connected. And the fourth one is body language and confidence. Body language and confidence plays a very important role. As body language, as audience is your reflector. If you get nervous, then audience also get nervous and they don't trust you easily. But if you are confident, you are maintaining eye contact with the audience and your hand movements are good and your body posture is good and you are speaking in a good tone, then audience will trust you and audience is going to relate your things. And the last and very important, conclusion part. End with a strong message. So the conclusion part should be very effective. It should be a huge message and it should be ending with a quote also, it can be. So these all tips you can apply in your presentation and share how your presentation gone. So if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe and be connected for my next video. All the best.